My beloved child, don't skip this moment. Stay till the end, because something huge is waiting for you, and what you are about to hear is not something you hear every day. I have seen every silent tear you never showed anyone. I have watched you smile while your heart carried a weight that no one else could understand. You still remember the words that wounded you, the promises that were broken, the friendships that suddenly disappeared, the love that changed without warning, and the moments when you asked yourself why people who once stood beside you became the very reason your heart struggled to find rest. You tried to forget, yet the memories kept returning when the room became quiet. You convinced yourself that time alone would erase the pain, but deep inside you realized that healing does not come simply because another day has passed. It comes when your heart is finally willing to let me carry what has been too heavy for you. Listen carefully, because what I am about to reveal may completely change the way you see every painful chapter of your life. Every wound you experienced has whispered a lie, telling you that you are forgotten, that you are unwanted, that your future will always be shaped by what others did to you. But those whispers are not your destiny. They are only shadows trying to stand in front of my light. There is a reason I allowed you to arrive at this exact moment. There is a reason these words found you today instead of yesterday or tomorrow. I know the names you still remember. I know the conversations that replay inside your thoughts. I know the nights when you wished someone would simply apologize so your heart could finally breathe again. Yet what if your peace was never meant to depend on another person's apology? What if your freedom was waiting somewhere completely unexpected? Stay till the end because something huge is waiting for you. There is a truth hidden beneath your pain, and once you discover it, the chains that have quietly followed you for so long will begin to lose their strength. You have spent enough time carrying burdens that were never yours to keep. You have replayed old moments hoping the ending would somehow change, but today I am inviting you into something greater than another memory. I am leading you toward peace that remains even when people never understand your heart. Don't skip, because every next moment is building toward a revelation that could become the turning point you have been praying for without even realizing it. You thought the greatest miracle would be seeing those who hurt you finally understand your value, but the greater miracle is when your heart becomes so full of peace that their opinion no longer controls your joy. Imagine waking up one morning and realizing that the memory no longer steals your smile. Imagine hearing their name without feeling the same heaviness. Imagine discovering that what once felt impossible has quietly become your new reality. That is not an impossible dream. It is the beginning of what I have been preparing inside you. While others only see your smile, I have been watching your silent courage. Every day you kept moving forward, even while carrying invisible pain, I was walking beside you. Every disappointment that tried to convince you to become bitter became another opportunity for me to build a stronger heart within you. The people who left could not take away the purpose I placed inside you. The words spoken against you could not erase the future I already planned for you. Every delay has been shaping wisdom. Every disappointment has been creating strength. Every closed door has been guiding you toward one that no human hand could ever close. There is something extraordinary happening beneath the surface that your eyes cannot fully see yet. Like a seed growing beneath the ground before anyone notices the first sign of life, I have been working inside your heart long before you recognized the change. The healing has already started. The peace has already begun to grow. The freedom you have been searching for is closer than you think. But there is one thing you must understand before that peace completely fills your heart. As long as you continue measuring your worth by the actions of those who hurt you, you will always remain connected to the very pain you wish to escape. The moment you begin seeing yourself through my eyes instead of through their actions, everything starts changing. Suddenly you realize that your identity was never created by rejection. It was never defined by betrayal. It was never limited by disappointment. Your value existed long before anyone failed to recognize it. Don't skip. Stay till the end. Something huge is waiting for you, because the next truth is even deeper. There is a hidden reason why some people walked away, and once you understand it, you will stop asking why they left and start thanking me for protecting the future that is still unfolding before you. The answer you have searched for through endless questions is much closer than you think, and what comes next may become the moment your heart finally begins to breathe in a peace that nothing and no one can ever steal again.